Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go on and open any browser and search for TikTok daily follow limit. So you simply need to check that. So here you can see that the daily follow limit on TikTok is no more than 200 accounts per day. So if you are trying to follow more than 200 people per day, you can see an issue in that you are unable to follow anyone. But if you are following 10 accounts and you still are unable to follow anyone, so you simply need to go back and open TikTok and click on profile in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and click on report a problem. So once you are on that page, scroll down and click on submit a report, and here you need to uh, write to the TikTok team and attach screenshot as well and click on submit. Then the TikTok team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to solve your issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.